Welcome to Official Senior Health, your go-to channel for expert tips and simple solutions to help you stay healthy and vibrant at any age. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's often overlooked but absolutely essential: strengthening your pelvic muscles. Whether you're recovering from childbirth, dealing with incontinence, or just want to improve your core strength and stability, this one-week pelvic muscle challenge is perfect for you. But before we get started, here's a question for you. Did you know that strong pelvic muscles can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and even boost your intimate health? Stay tuned because we're going to uncover all the benefits and show you exactly how to achieve them in just 7 days. Trust me, by the end of this challenge, you'll feel stronger, more confident, and in control. Have you ever experienced sudden urges or leakage when you cough, laugh, or sneeze? You're not alone. This simple, effective exercise routine could be the answer you've been searching for. Let's begin with understanding the pelvic floor. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles, ligaments, and tissues that support the bladder, uterus, for women, and rectum. Think of it as a hammock or a sling holding everything in place. When these muscles weaken, it can lead to problems like urinary incontinence, pelvic organ prolapse, or even discomfort during daily activities. But here's the great news: these muscles can be strengthened, and you don't need any fancy equipment to do it. We're about to embark on a simple, yet powerful 7-day journey to pelvic muscle strength, combining proven exercises with easy-to-follow routines designed specifically for seniors and anyone wanting to improve their pelvic health. Ready? Let's get moving. Imagine regaining control over your bladder in just 1 week. This challenge is designed to fit your lifestyle. Only a few minutes a day, yet with powerful results. One of the most effective exercises to target your pelvic floor is the classic Kegel exercise. Kegels are often talked about, but many people don't know how to do them correctly. Here's how. First, identify the right muscles by trying to stop your urine flow midstream. The muscles you use are your pelvic floor muscles. Now, contract those muscles, hold for 5 seconds, and then release slowly. Repeat this 10 to 15 times per set, and try to do 3 sets a day. But here's a secret to maximize your results. Don't hold your breath or tighten your stomach, buttocks, or thighs while doing this. Focus only on the pelvic floor muscles. What makes Kegels so powerful is their ability to rebuild strength without putting pressure on your joints. Plus, doing them regularly enhances blood flow and muscle tone, helping prevent leakage and supporting your pelvic organs. Did you know? Strengthening your pelvic muscles can also improve your sexual health and boost your confidence. Stick with me, and I'll show you how. Next up is the bridge exercise, a favorite among physical therapists for activating the pelvic floor along with your glutes and lower back muscles. To do this, lie flat on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Slowly lift your hips towards the ceiling while squeezing your glutes and pelvic muscles tight. Hold the position for about 5 to 10 seconds, then gently lower back down. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions per set, with 2 or 3 sets per day. The bridge is more than just a pelvic exercise. It improves your overall core strength, stabilizes your hips, and reduces lower back pain. It's a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time sitting. If you've been feeling weak or unstable, this exercise will help you stand taller and move with more ease, all while strengthening your pelvic muscles. Now let's move to the squat with pelvic floor engagement, an excellent functional exercise. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and slowly lower yourself as if you're sitting back into a chair. As you squat, focus on tightening your pelvic muscles, as if you're trying to lift something up with those muscles. Hold for a moment, then rise back up to standing. Repeat this 10 to 12 times, gradually increasing as you feel stronger. Squats engage your pelvic muscles along with your thighs and glutes, helping to improve your mobility and balance. This is especially important for seniors who want to prevent falls and maintain independence. Want a stronger pelvic floor and better balance to prevent falls? This simple squat exercise will transform your stability, and you can do it right at home. For added challenge, the bird dog exercise is fantastic for improving pelvic stability and coordination. Start on your hands and knees, with your wrists aligned under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Slowly extend your right arm forward and left leg backward, keeping your pelvic muscles engaged and your back straight. Hold for 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions per side. This exercise activates deep core muscles including your pelvic floor, helping to stabilize your spine and pelvis. It's a favorite for preventing lower back pain and improving posture, which is crucial as we age. Did you know poor pelvic floor strength can contribute to chronic back pain? This move targets both areas to give you relief and strength, all in one go. Finally, we include diaphragmatic breathing with pelvic floor activation. Lie down comfortably or sit upright, place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. As you inhale deeply through your nose, focus on expanding your belly, and as you exhale through your mouth, gently contract your pelvic muscles. This synchronized breathing helps coordinate your pelvic floor with your diaphragm, enhancing muscle function and relaxation. Many people overlook the importance of breathing in pelvic health, but proper breathing can improve oxygen flow, reduce tension, and optimize muscle recovery after exercise. Feeling stressed or tense? This breathing technique not only strengthens your pelvic muscles but also calms your mind, the perfect combo for total well-being. Here's how your week will look. Each day, perform these exercises, gradually increasing repetitions as you feel stronger. Remember, consistency is key, and even on your rest days, practice diaphragmatic breathing to stay connected to your pelvic muscles. On day 1, focus on learning the movements with fewer repetitions. By day 4 or 5, increase the intensity and hold times. By the end of the week, you'll notice improved muscle control, less urgency, and a boost in your overall core strength. Keep track of your progress, maybe even keep a journal to note how your body feels each day. Small improvements add up quickly. Thank you for joining the official Senior Health 1-Week Pelvic Muscle Challenge. If you commit to these exercises daily, you'll not only strengthen your pelvic muscles but also improve your posture, reduce discomfort, and gain confidence in your body's abilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends or family who might benefit, and subscribe for more health tips tailored just for seniors. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming challenges and wellness advice. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and it's never too late to start investing in it. Here's to a stronger, healthier you.